Hi everyone, this is Winnie, and today we are going to showing you around our factory. And our factory, we totally have 6 floors, and now here we are in the first floor. Uh, we totally have 24,000 square meter, and each floor it is for 4,000 square meters. First floor, first floor it is the mental processing workshop and the forming workshop. Second floor it is the single door and double door production. Third floor it is the 3 door and 4 door production, and fourth floor it is for cool refrigerator and freezer products warehouse, and fifth floor it is the test room and the office and showroom, and sixth floor it is the parts material storage warehouse. And now let me introduce our first floor to you all. And for our mental processing, we have a laser cutting facility, bending facility, and plate sharing facility. And let me show you how they work. This is our laser cutting facility, and let me show you how it works. We will buy the painted steel plate here, and then we will put into the laser cutting facility. And all the machine, it is computerized. We have our own engineer team, and they will decide the product drawing and it and put into the system, and the machine will be cutting according to the product drawing. After cutting, our workers will take it out and become like this one. We totally have 5 bending machines, and each bending machine is for the different size painted steel plate bending. So our factory can provide high production efficiency because we have enough machine for each part. We will have different machine to finish the bending processing. So our work, and also we totally have 150 workers. After finish our mental cutting process, it will come to the forming process. Our staff will use the painted steel plate to do a assemble into a product shape, and then using our forming mold to complete the forming process. And all the forming mold is the fixed mold, not the combined mold. So the product finish will be better than using the combined mold. And our cooler forming thickness, it is 48 millimeters, and freezer it is 60 millimeters. And here it is our cabinet after fully injection the forming process. This is the middle form of the cabinets after forming, and our forming is very evenly and it's thicker forming. Now we are at our factory second floor, and this is for the single door and double door production workshop, and we totally have 10 production lines here. And let me introduce what we will do in each production line, and let's keep watching it. And now we come to our first production line here, and this production line, it is for the door assembling and our wheels and the fan motor assembles in the cabinet. At this first production line, and here we can see we will have door assemble, wheels assembling, and also the digital controllers, fan motor, fan cover here. And then after we assemble all the parts, and we will go to the third production line and make the cabinet upstanding by this machine. And so it's more easy to assemble the cooling system after it become upstanding. And this is our second production line, and here we will setting the compressor system and condenser. And firstly, we use is web type steel condenser, and here we will assemble the condenser fan here, fan motor, fan cover, and also the water trace here. All our standard production standard, it is the self evaporation. So, and here it is the compressor we use is the Dongper brand for the cooler, and all the connecting pipe here, all is the copper pipe here. At the third production line here, it is processing for the system connection. And for example, we already assembled the evaporator at the first line, and here it is connecting the evaporator with the compressor and condenser, connecting in for the cooling system units, and also connecting with the evaporation water chain to ensure the whole connecting pipe it is well welding for the whole unit, and no leakage at this production line. And after we assemble our compressor and condenser system at our third line, and we will come to our vacuum automatic production line, uh, vacuum automatic processing line, and we will have our vacuum machine. And after we finish this process, vacuum in the compressor, we will going to a next step. It is the gas charging, and this vacuum machine processing line, it is automatic running when it's starting, and we need to vacuum the compressor before we charging the gas inside to ensure the compressor inside there's no other components and there's no other things inside and only the gas. After we vacuum our compressor from the processing line, and we will come to the next step. It is the gas charging, and we will have a gas charging machine. In this machine, it can setting our gas charging rate to ensure the gas inside it is in a standard weight, will not too less and will not too over, uh, will not too less and too more in the gas we charging inside. So to ensure the stable cooling system running with the standard gas weight. After charging the gas from the charging machines, and we will come to the next step. It is the electric safety test, and we have a perfection electrical safety comprehensive tester here. So we will setting the voltage like 220 volts and 110 volts in the system here. And then when we use the tester, and it will have three lights here. One is on testing process, and one is already passed this testing. One is failed the testing. So we will easy to know that which one it is in safety, which one it is passed the test, which one it failed the test, and we will take it out and go back to the production process to check what's going on and fix it. After we complete the electric safety test, we will coming to the temperature testing line here, and all the refrigerator and freezer will be plugged in for testing the temperature running. For cooler, we will arrange around 3 hours testing. For freezer, it will arrange 6 hour testing to ensure the temperature running it is in a correct condition. For cooler, will be 0 to 10 degree. and for freezer will be minus 22 to minus 80 degree. And our QC team will be checking every cabinet and every temperature sensor and if it's running good condition. After all the cabinet passing the temperature testing, and it will come into the package production. It will come to the packaging line, and our packaging will be using the carton package, and inside the carton we'll have some foam to protect the glass door, protect the cabinets, and all the shelves we will use the belt to uh, fix in the cabinet, and it will not moving when it's shipping by sea. And we also have a auto packing machine, and so uh, it will packing the carton and with the pallets with the belt, and it will save a lot for our labor. So and our packaging so already protects many cooler and freezer and exporting to all over the world, and many customers are satisfied with our packaging material because of the strong cartons we use is 5-layer cartons, so it is very thick.